Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the order of arithmetic operations. Now, let us think about the situation. Valli and her four friends went to a buttermilk shop. Each had a cup of buttermilk and paid rupees 30. So totally 5 students went to the buttermilk shop. Assuming that the cost of 1 cup of buttermilk to be rupees 6. But the shopkeeper told that the cost of buttermilk had increased by rupees 2 per packet. Then Valli decided to give rupees 2 more and paid rupees 32 only. But the shopkeeper claimed that she had to pay rupees 40. Who is correct? See, first Valli calculated as like this. Let us see the calculation. First in bracket 5 multiplied by 6. After that plus 2. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 equal to 32. So Valli paid rupees 32 rupees only. Now shopkeeper calculated as like this. Let us see the calculation. 5 into in bracket 6 plus 2. So you can add the bracket numbers first. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. In the second step, 5 multiplied by 8 equal to 40. So the shopkeeper claimed that rupees 40. The amount rupees 40 claimed by the shopkeeper is correct. This confusion can be avoided by using the brackets in the correct places, like 5 into in the bracket 6 plus 2. Using BIDMAS, we can avoid the common arithmetic mistakes. Let us see the rule of order of operations is called as BIDMAS. Now let us see the expansion of BIDMAS. See the first letter B. B stands for brackets. First you can select the brackets and do the calculations one by one. First do the bracket calculations. Second I. I stands for indices. You will learn it later. Now this year you no need to learn this one. Next, third one D. D stands for division. Can use the next select the divided symbol or the slash symbol. Next, fourth one M. M stands for multiplication. Now you can select the into symbol. Next one A. A stands for addition. You can use the plus symbol. Next, the last one S. S stands for subtraction. Now you can use the minus symbol in the last. Now we try to solve 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2 by using BIDMAS. See the next step. 9 plus in the bracket 5 multiplied by 2 equal to 9 plus 5 2s are 10. So 9 plus 10 equal to 19 is the final answer. This only the correct answer. Okay students, now let us see the example sums. See the heading, simplify the following numerical expressions. Example number 1. See the sum. 24 plus 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 2 plus 1. Here you can see many arithmetic operations are there. First addition symbol, next multiply, next divider, next plus. So now you can use the BIDMAS rule. Here there is no brackets. So you can go to the second rule. You can select first division sign only. First divide only you can select. So you can select first divide. Division. Keep 24 plus 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 1. Keep other numbers as it is. You can do the division only first. That is the rule. So next second rule number 3 is multiply. After the divide you can do the multiply. So divide, next multiply. So here 2 multiplied by 4 is there. So keep 24 as it is plus 2 4s are 8 plus 1. Here at the last everything plus sign. So you can add everything. Addition. Next one. 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 1, 33 is your answer. Is it clear students? Again I am telling, listen. See the question. 24 plus 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 2 plus 1. This is the given sum. So you can apply the BIDMAS rule. Here there is no bracket. So you can go to the second rule. After the bracket you can use the divide sign, division. So here 8 divided by 2 is there. So do this calculation first. So keep the 24 plus 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 1. After division you can use the multiply rule. So here 2 multiplied by 4 is there. So you can do this one second. Keep the 24. Then 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1. After that everything plus sign. So at the last you can add everything. 24 plus 8 plus 1, that is 33 is the answer. Is it clear student?